Hey everyone, this is UV Robotic Arm made with 3 servo motors. 2 normal LEDs are mounted on the arm to demonstrate the concept. Here we have PSOC 4 microcontroller, which drives the servos, LEDs and CapSense sensor. Also we have used a 1.5-inch EPD display. The entire setup is designed with craft wood. Powering on the UV arm, CapSense detects the presence of human interaction. It activates the UV LED for cleaning when human is not present. UV arm has different modes with different configured positions. Printer mode for home office printers. Gym mode for cleaning gym equipment and table mode for surface cleaning. Let's activate UV arm for table mode. It started the cleaning process and stops after the timeout. Let's activate UV arm for printer mode. This is just a concept demo, not designed precisely to perform. Also, we have used normal LEDs to showcase. Thank you all.